Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the receiver and giving it an audio path. Plug into the 12V adapter or use the receiver's internal battery, then switch the car to ACC so accessories stay live. Once done, select the physical output you'll use, aux, USB audio, or FM transmitter, and note the default FM frequency if applicable. Make sure the car stereo is set to the matching source so the receiver's signal has somewhere to go. Now you pair and route audio so the connection works reliably. Put the receiver into pairing mode. A flashing LED or voice prompt usually indicates it. Then open Bluetooth on your phone and connect to the receiver name. Once paired, make sure the phone's media audio is enabled. Next, route audio on the car. Switch the stereo to AUX or USB, or tune the radio to the receiver's FM frequency. This ensures audio passes from phone. Finish by balancing levels and confirming stable playback. Set the car and receiver volumes to mid-level, then raise your phone's output to about 75% so you avoid distortion and keep clarity. Play music and test calls. If audio drops or stutters, repair the devices and check for nearby USB chargers or routers causing interference. If FM quality is weak, sweep for a clearer frequency or swap to a wired AUX connection for the most reliable sound. One simple fix: reboot the receiver and phone before repairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.